Hey guys, okay, so I'm back with another video. Sorry I kind of left abruptly in my other video. Sometimes I get so tired and so I go to bed. And I think that my computer will save it for the next day, but at nighttime it makes that video, and so I have no way of continuing on. So that's why I had to break it up, and that video just kind of left like that. Anyway, I'm having issues on number 38, y'all. And I know if I'm having issues, so are you guys. So I just basically, I'm trying to, I got the wrong answer, of course, and we know it gives us a hint. So it says to use the penguin body before selector. And it says to make the content property of the Sado element to an empty string. I mean, I don't know what that means. So it's telling us right now, it's basically these two. Let me see. Okay, so that works. So you guys see the code here. Let's really figure out what this did though. Like, I don't see that it did anything. To be honest with you, I'm confused. To give the penguin body a crest. What's a crest? All right. Create a Sado element that is first child of the penguin. So what we have to take from this, since we kind of don't get it right, is we created a Sado element that is the first child of the penguin body element. So we did penguin body : before. So whenever it asks that, because as you can see up here, penguin body already was used, but this is the first child of the penguin body element. So that's pretty interesting. It's going to ask us that again, and we want to make sure that we understand that concept or whatever that is, so we understand going forward. Okay. All right. And whenever you want to set the content property to an empty string, it's this situation: content, quotation marks, and literally nothing is there. All right, submitting, moving along, bring it across. Position the pseudo element relative to its closest position ancestor. Oh man, they're talking foreign language. Okay. Position the pseudo element. So let's just get it wrong here. You should give penguin body before a position of absolute. Okay, well then say that. Dang. Give the pseudo element a width half that of its parent. All right, so its parent we know is this penguin body. So the width we see is 53%. What is half of that, you guys? What, like 21%? And then a height of 45%. And a background color of gray. Probably not 21%. A width of 50%. I don't understand how that could be. Its parent element is freaking. All right, let's just roll with the mother punches. Okay, Giving the Sato element 10% from the top and 25% from the left of its parent. Y'all, I'm not paying attention to parent anything. I'm doing top and left, bottom line. Round off the crest by giving the Slato element bottom corners a radius of 100%, leaving the top corners at 0%. Remember, it's no, I can't do that because top and bottom are kind of the same. Let me see. I'm trying to just see if this will work because you know this is clockwise, right? So I know it. Let's not do it that way. I don't even know if that's a thing. Let's see what the hint says because I'm confused. Oh, so I kind of did it right, but not really. I was on the right track at first. Top, right, bottom, left. Okay. So if I would have paid more attention, that would have made sense. No, because it never talks about the left saying that it would be 100%. So I would have never got that right. Because it goes clockwise, right? Top, right, bottom, left. And then we top again. But hey, who am I? All right, increase the Suedo element's transparency by 30%. That is not a property. Transparency by 30%? What is that? So let me see. Background color is gray. Border radius, position. I think it's going to give us a linear gradient situation. Oh. Opacity. Oh, look at that. Okay. Start the penguin's face by adding 2 div elements within penguin head and giving them both a class of face. Okay. Give the face element a width. Oops. Of 60% and a height of 70%. And a background color of white. Whoa, what is this going on? What's happening? Make the top corners of the face elements have a radius of 70%. And the bottom corners of the radius have 60%. All right, here we go again. Border radius. Let's do it right, you guys. All right, so 70 top corners. Top. Zero percent. That's really all it is. Let's do it like this, you guys. Top. Let's go like that. Let's go like this. Oh, I don't know why I didn't see 60. What is my problem? I would have got it right. Meaning I'm doing freaking. Position the face elements so that they are 15% from the top. Look at that, how it moves. Currently, the two face elements are on top of each other. Fix this, adding a class of left to the first face element. Oh, no, he said adding it. And then right to this one. Okay, target the face element with the left class and position left 5% to its parent. Uh-oh, of its parent. Left 5%. Face up, dot left. No spaces whatsoever, y'all. Okay, so now we know how to target when a selector has two classes. And I actually just learned something because I was always wondering, why on earth would you have two different classes, like a space between it? Like, I never got that, but now I get it. There are situations to where it needs to be like the same, but different, you know? So face left, face right, I totally get that. I hope you guys get it too. Target the face element with the right class. Okay, so let's just do this. Let's copy and paste this because it's literally going to be the same thing, but it's going to be right. Okay. Wait. Right class and position. It's right. Oh, right. So. All right, below the face right element, add a div element with a class of chin. Let's just copy this. And go in. All right, target the chin element and give it a width of 90%. Right. 90, oh no, 70%. Background. Position the chin element such that it is 25% from the top. %. And 5% from the left. Then give the top corners a radius of 70%. And the bottom radius 100. Hopefully I get this border radius situation right. I'm gonna do it again, you guys. I'm gonna go through all of this in order to get it right. 70, 70, 100, 100. I don't get that. Because they never said, let me see. Top corners a radius. Oh, so it's corners. So that is making a difference because they're corners. So it's not like it's kind of a clockwise. Because it's a corner, it's just different. Interesting. So far, the face and chin elements have the same background color. Create custom CSS property called penguin face and set it to white. How the heck do you do that? I'm totally guessing here, you guys. Penguin face. Create a CSS property called penguin face and set it to white. Let's see. Root selector. Interesting. So take a look at what we just did, you guys. You can literally use the root selector to make something a color or something like that. Now that's interesting because you see up here we have penguin face. We have penguin face somewhere. Well, we have penguin, and then we have face. So they're two different things. That's hecka interesting to me. And yeah, you need to be learning that situation. That's really an important one because it seems like it saves a lot of time. Okay. Where relevant, replace property values with your penguin face variable. What? Hmm. All right. So it seems like what we just did here is we made a variable. I mean, I know we haven't gotten into JavaScript yet, but that's how JavaScript is. This is basically a rule. It's saying that penguin face is white, okay? So everything we're going to replace with white. And that is, let me see what's white over here. Because penguin face would be the same thing. Uh-oh, here's white. So we will replace, uh-oh. We will replace this with penguin face. Let me see, I need to copy it. But you have to put var because it's like a variable. Okay, you see how I turn white? Another one is, this is white, so it deserves to have the variable as well. I hope this is right. Background color, var or penguin face, that's what I did. It's talking about the face, so I messed up where face is. Okay. I'm proud of myself. Below the chin element, add two div elements, which each with a class of I. You guys, I think I'm gonna stop at number 60 because I have to do other things tonight. This isn't even my homework and I'm doing it. So maybe I'll start making a little bit shorter videos, but for surely you will get the continuation of what I'm doing. So don't be weary. I am going to continue with what it is that I'm doing, and I'm never going to leave you out of the equation. I left, and then This is different. You're giving it a class of I. Oh, I see. Yeah, this isn't it. They're talking about this. This is like in a whole different situation, my friend. I'm glad I understand that. Do you see what we're giving here? Do you understand what's going on? As I'm writing the code. Open up your mind to new possibilities. Alrighty. No. What? You should add 2 div elements with penguin head. What? I don't know how to do all this. Expected 5 div elements, found 3. Wow, so it is saying that I need to do this. Maybe it's within here like this. Now I'm confused because I totally thought I was right there. It's trying to say that we add them within the one head. You should give the first new div a class of I. And you should give the second div a class of I. Okay. Then what? Yes, I know that. I did that. And you seem to say it was wrong. You guys sat right here and seen me do all of that. I did that at first and it did not say yes. Free code camp, I'm gonna need you to revamp your stuff. Like, come on, man. I was giving you what I had and it was the right answer at first. You made me go through all of that. Ugh. Target I, give it a width of freaking 15%. Okay, a height of 17%. A background color of black. Position the I element from the top, from the parent, and give the corners a radius of 50%. target the eye with the left class. So we know that's no space. And position it 25% from the left of its parent. Then target the eye element with the right class. 25% again. Right? Oh, let's see, right class. Because it's telling me to do the same thing. So maybe I'll just make another situation. You know what I'm saying, you guys? I did. You should use the I right selector. Oh, got it. Gotta watch out for those periods and everything, you guys. Okay, I think this is going to be it, you guys. 60, I'm going to stop the video. I will definitely continue this, but I got to do some of my other homework. And I just want to let you guys know I'll be coming on here kind of giving an update on my life, and maybe you'll get to know me as a person, you know what I'm saying? Like what's been going on in my life, what I'm doing to get that first developer job, like what I'm actually going through over here, because this is real, you guys. We will become developers. I know I'm almost at the finishing point. You guys, some good resources for you is codingphase.com. You should check out Coding Phase on YouTube. He helps you become an HTML developer pretty quickly, and they get paid pretty good. But breaking into there, you got to have some type of a you know beginner job, or just kind of entry level situation. So I would say HTML developer is a good one. It's just creating email templates for businesses, and it's really good to probably get up with a startup company. So coding phase, I would say, is good. Try to look on Indeed for any internships. No matter how old you are, they have internships, and they have what's the other one? It's internships, and then there is a I can't think of it. It's another one, but it's a little bit longer where they teach you. Anyway, I just want to let you know that I'll be on here kind of showing my face later on and letting you know where I'm coming from. You know what I'm saying? All right. You guys have a good night and God bless. Bye. I'll see you in the next video to go over step 60 and more. Bye-bye.